Alright guys, here we are, Cookeville Ford in Tennessee. Just going to walk around here. I'm going to show you guys that they're having the same problem we're having at home. Just going to look to see. They're selling their vehicles, and I think they might be even selling them more here than we are at home, because we have the exchange rate that makes a big difference. But I noticed when I walked in, they had a 2020 Super Duty F350 first truck on the corner, and they were asking $86,000 for that one, and it was about an $85,000 truck new. So the truck is a year old, and they're selling it for the same price, and they will sell it because everything is selling. In this yard here, I'd say they probably have around 300 cars, and they said they had 22 new cars left. So you're talking not even 10% of what they have in the yard is new. So everyone is having a hard time. No wonder that the used vehicle market is going up like crazy. It's crazy how that goes. So I'll just walk over, I'll take a look and see what they have.
They call it, they put on like delivery.
Scamming stuff. All right, here we got what I can see so far there at this Ford dealership here. See the big flag up there flying in the wind. I see there's 3 F-150s. They got one Expedition sitting over here. These F-150s, the F-150s, they're selling them for 60 grand. And I'm pretty sure it's going to be 60,000, take it or leave it. You got one here that might be plainer. It's not a 4-door, it's a 2-door. It doesn't have the console, so it's not going to be a sports package. It's going to be a basic truck. This one here, $50,000, take it or leave it. That's it. It's a 21, it's not even a 22. And we're in 22. We're in 2022, so it should be 22s that are sitting in the yard, not 2021s. And I'm sure they're just gonna say, that's the way it is, you take it or leave it. I can see a King Ranch pickup over here. We're gonna go look at it. Oh, that's not even new, that's a used one. Just seeing it from here, it's probably a 16, 17. We'll get up to it and take a look at it. Just seeing the front grille, looks like a 16 or 17. I'll show you guys what they're selling for to give you an idea what the going price is. There's a Shelby 500 sitting in the showroom. Should have asked them how much they were asking for that. Okay, here it's a 16. Like I said, a 16. Because from back in a distance I could see it was a 16 because the way your lights are made here in 16, they changed that in 18, and 18 was the big square. It's King Ranch. Let's see what they're asking for this. If you guys are looking at this, just put it on pause and you'll see. Where is the price on this? I don't even think they're there's no price on this thing? It's got 144,000 miles. Can you imagine that? No price. No price. I guess they're giving them away here. They don't put the prices in the windows. Must be they're too ashamed to let you know how much they are.
They don't want to scare you.
They don't want to scare you away before you even buy it. Look, a 16. Here's a 16. This is just an XLT. Oh, there's no prices. Okay, I noticed they're not putting any prices in any of the windows.
Yeah, I guess out front some of them have.
There's an Aviator. No, I don't see any prices in the window of that either. Give us a good idea how much they're selling them for. I'll keep walking around here, guys, and I'll show you, let you guys know what else is going on here. When I see something good, I'll get it for you guys. All right, I just found another row of cars here. Another row of new cars. You got some Escapes over here, some Escapes there. You got 5 Mustangs here. Let's just see what they're selling them for. And I was just talking to the guy, he said the price that's in the window is the price we're asking. $42,500. GT 5 liter, $42,500. And here you got a, this is going to be the 4-cylinder. This one here is a 4-cylinder with the EcoBoost turbo. $39,000. $39,000 for a Ford Mustang with the 4-cylinder EcoBoost motor. No dealing, that's it. You want it, you pay for it. If not, you get in your old truck right there and you drive home. That's it. Nothing you can do about it. No, like he said, they usually keep 550 cars, 500 to 550 cars here on the lot. And I think If I count, they have 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 20 cars. They might have 20 new cars. Oh, poor guys. This is crazy what's going on here. And this is all over the country. All over the country, stuff like this is going on. All right, I'll just continue here. I'll keep going, and if I see anything, I'll let you guys know. The prices are the same as at home, and if you would put the exchange with us in Canada, it'd be even worse here because we have to put 25% on top for the exchange. So it wouldn't even be worth it to come buy cars over here. That's why I understand now that they're coming to Canada and buying all our SUVs and our pickups and shipping them to the United States. Because look at these prices that they're selling these at. I mean, there's an Explorer right there. I just saw there's an Explorer. There's a price on it. It's a 2020. That blue one right there. I just saw that's an XLT. Okay, there's a 2020 XLT here. That's just going to be the base model. $26,000 miles. It's got the leather, no roof. $44,000. $44,000 for a 2020 used Explorer XLT. All right, that's it. Let's get out of here. You guys, don't forget, you guys like and subscribe and let us know what's going on. Anything you guys want to see, just let us know.